guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to do a review on my new Prada bag. Let me get it for you guys. It's right here in its original box. So I got the Prada Cleo bag in white. This is what she looks like. Hold on. Let me take out the stuffing really quick because I'm going to show you guys what I can fit in here. Alright, so stuffing's out. This is what she looks like. It is a smooth brushed leather. It's brushed leather, but it feels more like a patent type of leather without the extra shiny look to it. I absolutely love this bag. I have been wanting this bag since it came out, and funny thing about this bag is that I keep hearing that it's a trend item, which yeah, it is, because it's very 90s looking, and right now it's all about the 90s, 2000s. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot about this bag, that it's like a trend piece and that it's all over the internet. All of the influencers have it and it's like super popular, when in reality, when I go to Instagram, I search for this bag and I don't see that many posts about this bag. So I don't know what people are talking about. I don't think it's as popular as the Prada re-edition. I feel like that bag is extremely popular. You see it a lot compared to this bag. Another thing that I noticed is that when I was doing research on this bag on YouTube, I didn't see a lot of videos about it. So yeah, I decided to make my own video because not enough videos about this bag for some reason. For some reason, the re-edition, there's like a ton of videos on that one. That one's just like a big hit with people. So yeah, I really like this bag. I needed a white bag, and I also needed more silver hardware. And I feel like Prada is that one brand where silver just looks amazing. I don't know what it is about Prada and silver hardware. It just looks great. So I'm trying to try new things and incorporate more colors into my handbag collection, more silver tones as well. It's really flat on the back right here. And what I absolutely love about this bag is the shape and the bottom. It's not straight. It doesn't have any little pegs, or is that what you call them, little pegs, to like place it like this straight. So one thing about this bag, when you do put it like on a flat surface, it's not going to stand upright. So just letting you know right now, it's not going to stand upright. This is what the inside looks like. Let me open it for you. It's really pretty. There's also an interior slot right here. Pocket slot. The interior where the pocket is at is white leather. It's really soft, but the rest of the interior is like the Prada print, like satin. I think it's satin interior. So just gotta be careful with that, not to dirty it. Even though it's black, I don't like to dirty the interior. And in here I have the authentication cards. I like to keep them in my little pocket here when I store my bags. It has a magnetic clasp, and I haven't taken off the sticker. If you're someone who's into zippers, or you're afraid your things are gonna fall out of your bag, I highly doubt that's gonna happen with this bag. Just keep in mind that it has no zipper. It's only a magnetic clasp. Yeah, some people might not like that, especially if you have a lot of things that you're gonna put inside your handbag. You might not be able to close it, so it is gonna be like open like that. And like I said, if you're not comfortable with that, that's just something to take note of, because in that case things might fall out if you have it super packed and you're not able to close it. The magnet is actually very strong. I do like that. And another thing, this is such a tiny detail. Something about this strap that I love so much is that right here, it's a little thin, and then it gets a little wider towards the center. You probably can't tell, but it's something that I noticed, and I don't know what it is. It's such a tiny detail that I completely fell in love with. It gives it more character, and I also like the hardware here on the side. It has Prada on each side right here. Yeah, so let's try to put some things inside. It's not gonna be a lot, I'm letting you guys know right now, because I've taken this bag out already, and yeah, not much fits in here. It's pretty small, and the shape is a little awkward. Not as awkward as my saddle bag, but yeah, it's still kind of awkward. All right, so I'm gonna put my wallet in first, and I'm also going to put my little cosmetics pouch inside. it's already kind of losing its shape. Do you guys see that? Yeah, look at that. I won't be able to close it if I just leave those two items stacked like that. I put the cosmetics pouch upright, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Looks a little better. Sometimes I do like to take my Chanel compact powder with me, not all the time, but that's just for the sake of this video. I'm gonna put this inside the handbag. And my phone, this is the iPhone 12 Pro. Oh my god, it's already kind of snug in here. Yeah. I don't want to force it because I feel like I'm gonna ruin the leather. I'm always afraid of that, just like forcing things in there. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it for you guys. But normally I wouldn't go out like this. So it's pretty tight. Do you guys see that? I was able to close it with my wallet, my cosmetics pouch, my phone, and my compact powder. That's not even including my car keys, but most of the time my husband drives everywhere, so. But if I were to put my house keys in there, my car keys I mean, I would have to sacrifice something, and that's most likely gonna be the compact powder. Something's gotta go. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how much I can fit in here. I don't like doing this. I'm like already wincing at this because do you guys see how the logo area is already kind of crinkling a bit and the back is kind of pushed out a bit? It doesn't look cute. So what I normally do is I remove, let me see, I would take out the powder and just leave my wallet, my phone, and my cosmetics pouch. All right, so this is what it looks like without the powder, and what a huge difference. Look at that. The only thing is that the YSL logo is kind of messing up the leather here. Do you guys see that? So this bag is a little delicate in that sense where it's like it's leather, so you got to be careful not to stretch it too much. Okay, there you go. I managed to move my wallet facing the other way, that way it doesn't poke through the leather here. So yeah, this is with my phone, my wallet, and my little cosmetics pouch, and not including my house keys, not including my sunglasses case, and my AirPods, which are really bulky. So yeah, this is what I can fit in my Prada Cleo bag. It's not a lot. It's interesting because when I was looking at pictures of this bag online, it seemed pretty roomy because it's kind of wide. I looked at the dimensions and it looked pretty wide. I thought I was going to be able to fit more things in here, but no. It's a pretty thin bag, and that's what it is. It's just really thin, and I love the shape of it so much that I don't want to mess with that. So just, I have to be aware not to overstuff it with things. So I see it more as like a errand bag if you want to run errands with it. If you want to be extra like me and do some errands with this bag. If you're going out for the night and you don't want to carry a lot of things, this is a pretty lightweight bag. Another thing that I should mention is that I made this purchase on Italist.com, and the bag came out to $18.96, and this originally, the original price on this is, I believe, is $2,250 on the Prada website and other retailers. But the thing about Italist is that they source directly from Italy, so I was able to get a good price on this one, and I'm so happy that I was able to get it off their website because I mean I saved over $350 and shipping was free, and the duties were also included in my purchase. So that's one thing that I was really happy about it. I didn't have to pay duties. I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm really happy with the customer service. I'm happy with Italist.com. It's such an interesting word. I'm not being sponsored or anything like that. I'm just really happy with the fact that I was able to save a lot of money with this purchase, and I have been wanting this bag for a really long time, and it came pretty quickly, and it did come in the original Prada box. Let me show you guys the box. This is the Prada box, and I know it's official Prada because when I've ordered from the official Prada website, this is the same exact type of packaging that they put your handbag in, the same sticker and everything, and the number matches the official website, so it is authentic. Yeah, so if you're worried about that, just rest assured that the items that they sell on the website is is authentic, it's real luxury. That's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it useful, helpful, informative, and yeah, check out the website, check out atilist.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!